In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the rubber adjustment clasps onto your dye sublimatable face mask. Let's get started. When you get your dye sublimatable face mask with black trim, it'll come in a plastic bag sealed up just like this, and it will come with these two rubber adjustment clasps. You'll need these because the elastic loops on the face mask will probably be too big without the adjuster clasps. For the first method, you'll need thin tweezers about like this. With the tweezers, grab a small part of the elastic and push it through the wide side of the rubber adjustment clasp. Push that through as far as you can go with the tweezers until it is all the way out on the other side. Next, pull your tweezers back, and a small piece of the elastic should be out on the other side of the adjuster clasp. Now you can use your tweezers from the other end to pull the rest of that through, and there you are. Now, if you don't have a pair of tweezers that work, I do have one more method for you. For this method, all you'll need is a small piece of thread. Take your thread and loop it through the elastic. Then take the ends of the thread together and thread them through the adjuster clasp. Next, pull on the string and pull the elastic up with it onto the adjuster. Now, if one piece of thread is too weak and it breaks when you try and pull it through, just take 2 or 3 more pieces of thread, twist them together, and they should be strong enough. Now your dye sublimatable face mask can be adjusted to fit your face, and you can get to decorating.